Robotics and artificial intelligence are very relatable, but these are actually two different fields. While you can have robots with artificial intelligence, and it's equally possible for robotics to work without AI. What is robotics? Robotics is a branch of engineering and computer sciences where machines are built to perform programmed tasks without further human interference. Robotics is a broad definition and covers everything from a simple mechanical arm that assembles a car, any assembly line, or Amazon's Astro Alexa on wheels home robot. Traditionally, robots were used when tasks were either too difficult for humans to perform well. For example, the movement of extremely heavy or sensitive parts. A human can get bored, tired, or both, and that's when mistakes slip in. But a robot can easily perform the same exhausting task over and over again each day without making errors. Difference between robotics and artificial intelligence. Robotics and artificial intelligence are two different concepts. Artificial intelligence, AI. Robotics. Artificial intelligence is where computer-based systems try to copy or mimic the human mind. Robotics is where robots are built and programmed to perform particular duties. These systems try to learn, solve problems, and make decisions without predefined instructions. In most cases, it doesn't require artificial intelligence, as the tasks performed are predictable. The system learns from its experience. Tasks are repetitive and don't need additional thought. Examples of AI applied to robotics. Robotics and artificial intelligence can coexist. Projects using AI in robotics are very few, but such designs are likely to become more common as AI systems are becoming more refined. Here are some examples of existing robots that use AI. Robotics for households. The most obvious example of robots for households using AI is Amazon's Astrobot. Essentially an eco-show on wheels, the robot uses artificial intelligence to navigate autonomously around the home. It uses a periscope camera which acts as eyes and ears. A company named iRobot recently announced that the new Roomba J7 Plus robot vacuum reacts to your home in real time. Precision vision navigation, identifies and avoids obstacles like pet waste, charging cords, socks and shoes to get the whole job done. Brava Jet M6 robot mop and precision jet spray helps tackle sticky messes, grime and kitchen grease with less effort from you. Robotics in manufacturing. The scope for robotic AI in manufacturing is quite challenging. It could be as simple as a robot navigating around a busy warehouse algorithmically. Still, companies like Vicarious are using AI on turnkey robotics, where the task is too complex for programmed automation. Another example includes the shadow dexterous hand, which is agile enough to pick soft fruit without crushing it, while also learning via demonstration, potentially making it a game-changer in pharma. Robotics in healthcare. Medical professionals often become tired due to overwork, and in healthcare, fatigue can have fatal consequences. Robots don't get tired. They can be a perfect substitute. They're also much capable of performing operations with incredible accuracy and a steady hand. More basic examples of robots in healthcare can free up medics' time by taking care of lower-skilled work, for example, Moxie. During the coronavirus pandemic, Cobionics came up with a robot to administer needle-less vaccinations without human supervision. Robotics in agriculture. Robotics in agriculture could meet labor shortages, increase sustainability, and meet challenges like fatigue. Iron Ox uses AI and robotics to try and ensure that each plant gets the optimal level of sunshine, water, and nutrients required for its proper growth. With each plant analyzed with robotics and AI, less water gets wasted, and the farms produce less waste. The idea is that the AI will continue to learn from the data, improving yield for future harvests. Robotics for military. For obvious reasons, the military is less keen to shout about its achievements than others, using robotic AI for less controversial purposes. Still, the future of AI weapons is very real, and autonomous military drones have seen actual combat. Robotics and artificial intelligence, a bright future. Robotics and artificial intelligence are two related yet entirely different fields. Robotics involves the creation of robots to perform tasks without further intervention, while AI is how systems emulate the human mind to make decisions and learn. You can have robotics with an AI element and vice versa, yet both usually exist independently. As most robots are designed to perform simple, repetitive tasks, so there's no need for advanced AI, as the duties are simple, predictable, and pre-programmed. But many such AI-free robotic systems were created with past limitations of artificial intelligence in mind. As the technology advances in leaps and bounds each year, robotics manufacturers may feel increasingly confident in pushing the limits of what can be achieved by marrying the two fields.